A very good morning to the children of class 3 and welcome to your English literature class. I hope you all are doing great at home and enjoying as much as you can. Okay? Stay positive and stay healthy. So today we will just read out the words once more. We have done the reading of the poem. We have done with the explanation and the beautiful meaning of the poem. Now today we will read out the spellings of the new words once more. That is Santhini Govindan, Santhini Govindan. You all will read out with me. Published, 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 Published. Award winning, award, Award, award winning, Winning, Poetry, Poetry. Picture books, picture, Picture, picture. Books, Books. Okay. Dog lover, Dog, Lover, dog lover. Art enthusiast, Art, enthusiast, Enthusiast. Collecting bells, Collecting, Bells. Collecting bells, Collecting bells, Bells. Okay. Crocodile, crocodiles. Okay, if the words are little big, children, then you will divide the words into parts and then pronounce and then read. Okay, that will be easy for you to learn and remember the words and spellings. Okay, so crow, crow, co, croco, dile, diles, crocodiles. Okay, brush, brush. Okay, teeth, teeth. Morning, we know the spelling of morning, still I have given you morning, morning, morning. Night, night, night. Imagine, imagine, imagine. Toothbrushes, 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 Toothbrushes. Sparkling, Sparkling. Elephants, Elephants. Hand, hand. Kerchiefs, Chiefs. Handkerchiefs. When you pronounce handkerchiefs, you don't pronounce handkerchief. The D is silent. You don't pronounce D. Okay, so it's handkerchief, but spelling is hand, hand, Kerchiefs. Okay, sneezed, Sneezed, sneezed. Parents, please help the children to learn these spellings, and children also, you will learn these spellings, you will read these spellings loud every day in your house. Okay, giraffe, Girafffes. Girafffes. Imagine, Imagine, Imagine. Imagine is repeated, it's there also, it's here also. Dangle, Dangle. Dangle. Flutter, F-L-U-T-T-E-R, flutter, F-L-U-T-T-E-R, flutter. Sway, S-W-A-Y, sway, S-W-A-Y, sway. Centipedes, C-E-N-T-I-P-E-D-E-S, C-E-N-T-I-P-E-D-E-S. Laces, L-A-C-E-S, laces. Fastened, F-A-S-T-E-N-E-D. The comma is missed out. Please check here. I'm sorry for that. Fastened, F-A-S-T-E-N-E-D, fastened. Tangle, T-A-N-G-L-E, tangle, T-A-N-G-L-E, tangle. Zooming, Z-O-O-M-I-N-G, zooming, Z-O-O-M-I-N-G, zooming. So these are very few new words. You will every day you will read it loud and learn by the next weekend. Okay. So now in page number 39, see 39. Did you know? So let us read this. Did you know? Being imaginative makes you creative, more creative, and help in problem solving skills. Being imaginative keeps the brain active and healthy. So we all wants to keep our brain active and healthy, right? Yes. So to help to keep our brain active and healthy, we need to imagine. And imagination can be anything in this world. That you may be near the Eiffel Tower in Paris and you are clicking pictures, or you are with the wings and you went and stood near Eiffel Tower from here, from Calcutta to Paris. So that can be also an imagination. But to keep your brain active and healthy, we need to imagine more and more. Okay, and we need to be creative, and we need to imagine more, we need to see more, we need to appreciate everything around more. So I will give you some homework for project, that is, or some activity you can say, that is, we all love to imagine and daydream. So we all love to imagine and daydream, like we all are playing football, or we are meeting our favorite cricketer or sportsman, or we are meeting our favorite hero or actor, actress, right? So about things, anything, people around or places. Imagine yourself to be an ant. Do you know what is an ant? Yes. Ant. Draw things around you from your perspective, means you imagine yourself to be an ant, and then you draw maybe at least 3 things in this space provided. In this space you draw 3 things where you can, being an ant, you can see them. Okay, you imagine yourself to be an ant and draw 3 things which you can see around. Okay, that's it. You will draw it here only, no other copy or paper or CW, nothing. Okay, so you will learn the poem and also learn the new words and do this activity. Okay, thank you children, that's all for today.